Baby, me not got the sign. Baby, this bag they heavy you. Give me this bag, my carry for you. Baby.
This your compound. It's fine, no?
Baby, me not got the sign. If any best way see you know like you know like better thing.
Really?
Baby. Hey. Ekwe nwata na nwa. Ekwe to nwata na nwa. Hey. You even need. Ukuga na got the sign. Baby.
Now I'm supposed to be the one to sit down. Stand up, Joe.
It's okay. Sit down. Mommy? Who know like better thing? Hey!
Okota, I'm very hungry. Is there anything I have in the house? I'm so famished.
I get otara.
What's that?
Otara.
Otagi?
Otara. Apple.
Akpu?
Yes. And I also get offer.
Akpu for what now?
For we to eat now. Our native food.
What will I use Akpu to do? You want to tarnish my fine skin? What I want to eat is Indomie. I don't know what you are saying.
Baby.
Don't baby me, Joe.
Calm down. Burger no do this right now.
You can't never. You know you cannot make it.
This is money. Money?
What's this? Is this $100 or $100?
I hope I not be lazy man now. I not be lazy man.
What will this thing buy in this our era?
Use it and get anything you want.
What a lazy man did I marry? Your mate are out there working. You are here sleeping your way.
You call me lazy man?
What are you? You have the guts to give me $100 to eat. I don't know why I even marry such a lazy, useless, good for nothing man. I'm filing for divorce. You will hear from my lawyer.
After all, wait to make you come marry me.
You think say they why?
Baby, my fine boy.
You are a mumu man.
You're just useless.
Hey, I fool my like when
rubbish.
And who can say